This is the practice test for fractions. Here we're working on problem number 10, and the problem states, perform the indicated operation 4 over 9 plus 2 over 5. Now you can enter that into your calculator using your fraction key for each of these fractions, and your calculator should give you the answer of 38 over 45. I've done it here by hand, and I set up the addition vertically. I have 4 over 9 plus 2 over 5, and whenever I'm adding or subtracting fractions, I need the common denominator, and here I have a 9 and a 5, so I need a common denominator for both fractions, and the common denominator here is going to be 45. So I need to know what the numerators are. So on this top fraction, I ask what number do I need to multiply the 9 by to get 45, and the answer is 5. So I multiply the top number by 5 as well. 4 times 5 gives me 20. So 4/9 is equivalent to 20 over 45. I do the same with the bottom fraction. What number do I need to multiply the 5 by to get the 45? The answer is 9. So I multiply the top number, the numerator, by 9, and I get 18. So now I have a common denominator. For both of these fractions, I add my numerators. 20 plus 18 gives me 38, and my final answer is 38 over 45.